Chinese remainder theorem. Here's a system. X congruent to this, this, and this. But before we want to solve this thing, we really want to solve the system for x1, x2, and x3. So here is the system for x1. So what we have to do now is to result 14 times 15. 14 times 15 is what? 210 and 13. So we can have 1, 0, 0, 1, 210 and 13 minus 16, and that is 13 times 16 is 208. So this is good. We get 1 minus 16, 0, 1. 210 minus 28 is 2. 13. That means we should do 6. So we get 1 minus 16, 2 minus 6. 16 times 6, well, minus 16 times minus 6 is 96 plus 1, that's 97. We get 1. So then we get here that minus 6 times 210 plus 97 times 13 is equal to 1. So our x1 we're looking for should be divisible by 14 and 15. So we pick this one to be x1. x1 is equal to minus 6 times 210. And by this relation you see that x1 is congruent to 1 by 13. So there's our x1. Next we have to find x2. Means we had to solve this system. What we had to do this time around, we had to result 13 times 15 and 14. And now observe, this is a concept in numbers. So you know in fact that 13 times 15 is 1 less than 14 squared. That's a favorite multiplication rule. So you know then that what 13 times 15 is what, 195, 1 less than 14 squared. So minus 1 times 195 plus 14 times 14 is equal to 1. So we want something divisible by 13 and 15. So here is our x2. So x2 is equal to minus 195. Then next thing we have to do is we have to solve for x3. But remember, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. So we know that x3 is 1 minus x1 minus x2, which is equal to 1. x1 was minus 6 times 210, so it's going to be plus 6 times 210. And x2 was minus 195, so plus 195. Good. So now we have x1, x2, and x3. Now we can go back to the system we want to solve here. Ta-ta! And now we know that x is congruent to 6 times x1 plus 5 times x2 plus 1, I don't have to write the 1, plus x3. So now we can start this whole calculation. 6 times x1. This is then 6 times 6 now, so it's minus 36 times 210. Where did I put x2? Oh, x2 is back here. So minus 5 times 195, and then plus x3 here. So plus 1 plus 6 times 210 is 195. This is equal to, here we continue. How many 210s do we have? We have minus 36 and then 6 here, so this minus 30 times 210. How many 195 we have? Well, the minus 5 plus 1, so that's minus 4, 195, and finally was plus that 1. Next, well, notice this is 14 times 15, so that means you can operate mod 13 on over here. So we can add 13, we can add 39 here. So it means this is going to congruent to 9 times 210 minus 4 times 195 plus 1. And now we can start multiplying things out. 2 times 9 is 18, 9 times 9 is 9, 0 here, minus this is almost 200, so it's 800 minus 20, 780, then plus 1. Let's see what this is equal to. We'll get 1000, then I get 800 minus 700 is 100, then I get 90 minus 80 is 10, and then plus 1, 111. So that's our x, and remember now everything here is mod 13 times 14 times 15. And clearly 13 times 14 times 15 is bigger than 1111. So that's our x. Thank you very much.